Hi there, Jess in the Rada Kitchen. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to indulge in some comfort food. This is my version of a poutine baked potato. So we're gonna swap out our fries for our Idaho bakers, and we're gonna top them with a delicious brown gravy and some fresh local cheese curds. And we're gonna start by baking off our potatoes. So we're gonna bake our potatoes at 425 degrees, and I'm just going to poke these with my fork to let some of that steam out. So we're gonna melt a half a stick of butter to start. We are going to whisk in equal parts flour to our butter. And if you're feeding a bigger crowd, you're gonna wanna double your gravy recipe. And just whisk our flour to cook off that flavor. So we're gonna whisk in some chicken broth or chicken stock. And we're whisking in our chicken broth. Little over a cup. Actually, we're gonna do a little closer to 2. We're gonna add in a little bit of white wine. And if you wanted to skip this, you could just add more chicken broth. Give it a whisk. Now in with our garlic that we have already chopped. And a few teaspoons of beef base. A little bit of thyme. And black pepper. And let that thicken on the stove. So we're gonna fill our baked potatoes. I'm just gonna do a crisscross with my knife and pop them open. There you go. You can see all that nice steam come out of it. So from here, you could just do your cheese and your gravy, which would be more traditional poutine, but we are going to stuff this with some leftover roast beef that I have, because it's gonna be delicious with our gravy, and then it's kind of a one-stop shop meal. Load that up with our gravy on top. And then top it with your choice of our cheese curds. I'm gonna do the white cheddar on this one. We're gonna pop these back into the oven on broil just to melt that cheese. And let's get our toppings all prepared. So just some green onions, pretty traditional baked potato topping. And then I have some bacon that we've already cooked off that will crumble on the top. So now we are topping these off with that chopped green onion. And if you like, just because we've already taken it this far, a little bit of chopped or crumbled bacon on top. And this smells absolutely divine. And you're ready to serve.